Hi guys, welcome to another bike review. Presenting the Neo Sports Cafe 2019 Honda CB650R. It is equipped with inline-4 16 valves 649cc engine with 94 horsepower and 64 Nm of torque. Redline is at 13,000 RPM. The front suspension is an inverted Showa separate function fork, and the rear is a Showa single shock with adjustable preload. The front brake is a Nissin Dual 4-piston radial mount calipers and 2-channel ABS. The rear brake is a single 1-piston caliper with ABS. The fuel tank has a capacity of 15.4 liters. Headlight niya is LED with angel eye. The front signal lights are always on. Taillight is also made of LED. It has a nice LCD display. Now I will show you some accessories installed in this bike. First is the headlight lens protector. Para pag sa highway, safe sa mga rocks and insects yung headlight mo. Ito naman yung clutch and brake levers, which is foldable and adjustable. This is the RNG front axle sliders. Then, ito naman yung LED mini driving light installed by 01 Moto. Testing natin yung actual light niya. Crash bar. Galing din kay 01 Moto. Shout out. This one, the cell phone holder with USB charger. Ito naman yung screen protector. And the tail tidy. Ito yung switch ng mini driving light. High and low. Yan yung GoPro mount. This bike now has an Akrapovic racing line full system exhaust, which reduces the weight by 5 kg. I'm going to Tandang Sora. Magbibigay lang tayo ng konting financial assistance dun sa ka-workmate ko. Dahil yung mother niya raw, need niya bumili ng gamot para sa mother niya. So dahil kailangan ko mag-travel, ito na rin ginamit ko. para makapagbigay na rin ako ng first ride impressions. So first impression ko, mga 10 minutes pa lang ako nagdadrive. Well, the seat is nice, it's comfortable. Yung handlebar niya medyo mababa, yung handlebar niya, kaya medyo naka-lean forward ka, unlike sa XSR and MT-09 na stock handlebar, upright ka talaga dun eh. Dito medyo sporty yung stance mo, lean forward. Sa engine okay naman siya, very linear yung power delivery, hindi ka tatakutin. So very good to kung bago ka lang sa big bike. Maganda tong entry level kasi very balanced, may power siya, and then hindi ka niya tatakutin kung biglang throttle. Hindi ka naman niya tatakutin, hindi naman siya sobra sa power para ihagis ka, unlike sa XSR 900 ko. Pag bigay mo ng throttle talaga laki ba?
Alis ka na eh, no?
Pala.
Wapo rin ha.
Dito nakilala, may checkpoint pala. Buti pinadaan ako.
Pagpalabas, di naman sila ng gano.
Ano mas maganda?
Ito.
Maganda to?
Oo. Ganda pa nung ano boss, oh, digital oh. Kanina mo laki naman boss?
Kahapon?
Kahapon?
Oo.
Tagi?
Bigyan na tayo. Mukhang matipid siya. Hindi pa gumagalaw yung fuel gauge ko. And here, under direct sunlight, maganda yung LCD niya. Ganda ng seat niya, malambot. Very nice yung seat. Shout out nga pala kay Calvin Cedric Ken Diaz, Odel Bracamonte, Frixel Moto, and Angelica. Shoutout sa inyo. Yung feedback ko naman regarding the suspension, it is on the softer side. Malambot yung suspension niya. Pagka aggressive riding, medyo hindi siya made for sportier ride, pero comfortable talaga siya. So malambot siya pero hindi siya ideal for aggressive riding or for the racetrack. Pero yung branded yung shocks niya, front and rear shocks niya is made by Showa. Kaya maganda yung quality niya. Maganda yung quality ng ride. Especially kung pang city and out of town riding, may enjoy nyo to. Sa lahat ng middleweight standard bikes 650cc and below, etong CB650R lang ang tanging inline 4. It has good build quality dahil Honda, good power, although siya ang heaviest sa mga middleweight dahil nasa inline 4 engine. So ang tanong, sulit ba itong CB650R? The answer is yes. So compared sa XSR 900 ko, for more classic look, power and performance, mag XSR 900 ka na. But for the modern look and comfort, go with the CB650R. So dito na po nagtatapos ang vlog natin. Salamat at nandito pa rin kayo hanggang sa last part. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.